Hello everyone, today's topic is chemical composition and structure of plasma membrane. Chemical composition of plasma membrane. The cytoplasmic surface of all living cell is bounded by a limiting membrane known as plasma membrane. The membrane is mainly composed of lipid, protein, carbohydrate and water. Water occurs on the outer and inner boundaries. Lipids and proteins form its non-aqueous inner core. Carbohydrates are restricted to outer surface. Structure of plasma membrane, unit membrane concept, oversimplified version, does not satisfactorily explain the permeability and transport properties of membrane, does not account for dynamic nature of membrane and simply consider the membrane as static structure. Fluid mosaic model. The fluid mosaic model was proposed by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. This model explains the structure of plasma membrane of animal cell as a mosaic of components such as phospholipid, protein, cholesterol and carbohydrate. These components give a fluid character to the membranes. Phospholipids are arranged side by side and back to back in two parallel rows, forming bimolecular lipid layer. Outer monolayer is formed of acidic phospholipids and inner one is formed of neutral phospholipids. Phospholipid bilayer is essentially a film of oil makes the membrane semi-fluid. The cholesterol molecules are randomly distributed along the phospholipid bilayer. It is present between the phospholipids and prevent the compaction of hydrophilic tails at low temperature and their expansion at a high temperature. Proteins which is completely outside the lipid bilayer are known as extrinsic proteins and which penetrate the lipid layer is called intrinsic proteins. Extrinsic proteins are called hydrophilic and intrinsic proteins are amphipathic. Integral proteins span the entire lipid bilayer are called transmembrane proteins. They are alpha helix protein. Carbohydrates are found on external surface of the membrane. Thank you.